Hello everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to let you know and showcase a new cool feature I've been playing around with for the quant analytics. If you've been watching my quant analytics stuff, there's probably something you're probably cringing at in terms of having to go in, download a file, open the file, and open up the software to load the file, namely if it's a PDF or an XLS, which is an Excel spreadsheet or Microsoft Word document. I'm going to make your life a lot easier. If you choose to do this, I'll be able to now post these spreadsheets onto my website with no more than, I could do it as fast as 15 minutes or an hour. And probably make more sense for an hour, but that's probably what I'm going to look at. But let me show you what we got. First thing I can post is essentially these are the this file right here that you're looking at. This first one is what I call the most profitable, fastest moving cryptocurrency pairs that I'm currently watching on Binance. So as you can see here, I've got 47 entries. These range including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and so on. So we have here two spreadsheets worth, and it's pretty fast. So we have 47 combinations. Previously, I was able to put in 300 plus, but as you know, I've decided to just focus on the top 30, and these are them. My trading has massively improved. But as you can see here, we have the pair, we have the 1 hour change, and the 3 hour change. So when you go over to CoinMarketCap, here's the problem with CoinMarketCap. I've mentioned this. You know, and I know, and everybody knows, I like CoinMarketCap up to a point. But the only thing is we're only getting a 24-hour change, okay? What I can tell you is when I look at this file right here, or actually, oh no. Focus on the top 5 largest cryptocurrencies out there: Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin. So this is tracked every hour. Okay, this is in pretty close to real time. The current value of Bitcoin, the price change in the last 3 hours. You can clearly see here, if I was to choose, say, Bitcoin USD down negative 3.39, you'll see the difference between Bitcoin now. It's up or down only negative 2.26. But when you look at another one like Ethereum, let's say, this one right here, it's up 0.05. So if you are relying on this metric, okay, right now you are so lagging behind. Meanwhile, if you just traded Ethereum in the last hour, you'd be up 0.5%. Okay, but now it's better than that. Through my spreadsheet here, I'm giving you not just the hourly, but I'm giving you the 3 hour change, price change. Not only that, but you can quickly, at one click, be able to see what the fastest moving currency pairs out there, which is SIA coin, Ethereum, SIA coin, Bitcoin. Okay, so it's up 0.3% and 0.24%. Let's check out where SIA coin is right now on CoinMarketCap. So SIA is a pretty popular, highly liquid coin here. I know it's in here somewhere. And this is a very fast moving coin. So right now it's at the top 38%. So right now it's down 0.82%. But again, that's a 24-hour change. If you were watching this on an intraday basis, and I've been hammering this point all this time, this right here, you're losing opportunity. You would be up 0.3 or up 0.24% just alone in the last hour if you were watching this, okay? Right now the markets are not moving a whole lot. It's very mixed, and it's not even at 0.5% in any direction. But if you were to trade this right now, you'd be doing okay in all of these. Okay, so that's what I call the most profitable set of cryptocurrency pairs right now in real time in the last hour. Now, here's the watch list. Okay, here's my current watch list. These are the ones that look good to trade. Okay, LTC Ethereum, BAT Ethereum, and Dash Ethereum. Okay, and these are the changes in the last hour. Okay, so I'm going to reload this, try to get the latest info because I know. So they're not moving all that well. I wouldn't be trading the market at all, but I'm not going to stop you. But if I refresh this page, this spreadsheet, which should be now hopefully totally refreshed within 15 minutes of me uploading this. And again, I can. It's not been updated. Yeah. So let me just see how we're doing here. So yeah, Sia coin still. Yeah. So this hasn't been updated at all. So let me just show you. Here's the watch list. This is a watch list from 10:13. Today is 10:14. So this is a little old. Just showing the capabilities, but this will get updated in the next 15 minutes. And if I continue blabbing, who knows? I can probably show you it's the latest info. So again, here's another very powerful table here. 141 entries. These are 141 pairs. Look at all the juicy information you get. Okay. Let's see if I can make this a little easier. I might have to. I just noticed this. Yeah. So unfortunately, we don't. I can probably max it to the max. Maybe. Yeah. It doesn't look like I can scroll. I could probably fix that, but let me just show you what we got in the meantime. We've got the pair. We've got the mean. We've got the daily mean change. This is the average and the hourly. I've hinted at this before. The number of positive and negative returns over the last set of time period on a monthly, daily basis. Standard deviation. There's a lot more. This table right here is. I'll show you what it really represents. But I don't know. It doesn't have this capabilities to scroll. But let me show you the table here. Believe it or not, a lot of people are interested in this stuff. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm just going to the appropriate directory here under my Python. That's what's generating it. Into here, Python, and we got Binance, the next one. So there's the Python, Binance, right here. So the table we are looking for, actually I can do the FTP, it would be this one right here. Let's see if I can get it open. No, I can probably just drag her over here. So many files we track. This thing can easily generate thousands of files within minutes. So this is the file we're dealing with right here. So I'm not sure if this will do it. I'll load up the right software. I'm sure you don't need to be seeing this. Oh, here we go. So it's opening up the numbers, Apple numbers. So here is what we're referring to. So we are able to show continuing along. I really don't like this software. This is so bad. Wow. Cancel. Thank you. Okay, so we've got standard deviation. We've got on the hourly. Wow. I can tell you, or is that it? No, that is it. That's all I have. Okay, so Essentially, yeah, this is a pure stats file. But again, it comes back to sorting out everything, whatever you want. You can see which one is the most volatile on a monthly basis. Let's get rid of that. See if this will work. Yeah, this is the most volatile, but it's still in development. But I want to show you that this thing, actually I can show you the most volatile on a daily basis. So these are the most volatile on a monthly, sorry, on a daily basis. Ethereum Classic against Ethereum, 88 against Ethereum, so on. So it's pretty powerful information. I'm actually thinking about putting buttons up here at the top so you can download these files, but I'm not going to give API access. That goes definitely against the terms of the supplier or provider, which is Binance. But I just want to show you what these capabilities are, and I'm also investigating as well for charts, and that's going to add a lot of value to the service. But even this alone, I think, without needing to download spreadsheets, adds a lot of value to the monthly service. If you are interested in that, just come into the store, and from there, you just choose the analytics right here, Quant Analytics membership. You can either choose a monthly or a trial for a weekly, and currently I got this thing going on half price for an annual. So you do the math, it's half price if you were to buy an annual regularly, do it on a monthly basis. But there you go. Have a good day, and hopefully I've shown you something for you. Take it easy.